Is your garage so full of junk that you can't even park your car inside? Or maybe your lawnmower is sitting out in the rain because you have nowhere to put it. You need a shed, but you don't have a huge backyard for a massive barn, and you definitely don't want to spend $2,000 on a pre-made one. The solution? The lean-to shed. It's the secret weapon for homeowners with limited space. And today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build one yourself.
I had the same problem. My tools were everywhere. I looked at buying those plastic sheds from the home improvement store, but they were flimsy. One strong wind and they're gone. I looked at wooden shed kits, but they were huge and expensive. I didn't want a giant structure taking up my whole garden. I just needed something simple, slim, and sturdy to tuck against the side of my house or along the fence. But finding good plans for a lean-to style was surprisingly hard.
That's when I found a specific set of blueprints for small lean-to sheds. These plans were a game changer. The lean-to design is brilliant because it has a single sloping roof. This means it sheds water away from your house, and it's much easier to frame than a peaked roof. The plans I found covered popular sizes like 4x8 or 4x6, perfect for fitting into tight spaces. They included a material list, so I bought exactly what I needed, no waste. Because it can be built against an existing wall or fence, you save on materials and space. It blends right in. I built mine in a single weekend. Now my lawnmower, my rake, my garden tools, everything has its place. My garage is finally clean. It looks professional, like it was built with the house. It adds value to my property, and it cost me a fraction of buying a shed. If you can cut a 2x4 and drive a screw, you can build this. It's the perfect beginner project. Stop tripping over your tools. Reclaim your garage. I've linked the complete lean-to shed plans in the description below. It includes blueprints for various sizes to fit your specific space. Click the link, download the plans, and build your storage solution this weekend. See you next time.